A terrible performer, with irregular facial hair and a red formal hat, enjoyed playing the fiddle. His feline couldn't stand the sound, but he admired bubbled eels. One day, he decided to find another creature companion in the forest. He played a tune, and a wolf listened to it. The wolf agreed to play the fiddle, and the performer stuck his paws into a split in an oak tree. They then found a fox, who cherished the tune and played the fiddle. The performer attached his paw to a tall springy tree, and the tree sprang up, zooming the fox high. The performer then found another creature companion, a little bunny. The little bunny asked the performer to train him to play, and the performer instructed him to play any tune he liked. They eventually found an old pine tree, and the little bunny ran around it, but the string became increasingly tight, making the little bunny barely move. The story revolves around an artist who is tricked into playing a fiddle in the backwoods. The wolf, furious, chases the performer, but the little fox helps him. They all have a conversation with the performer, but the wolf accuses him of embarrassment and deception. The artist drops his bushel of eels, and the creatures eat him, leading to a chaotic scene where the performers wriggle, squirm, and make funny faces. The fox criticizes the performer for his behavior, and the performers never play the fiddle or get another eel. The story teaches the performer a lesson.